Imagine earning fees every time somebody trades crypto just by adding some of your own crypto to a pool. Well, that's exactly what Uniswap makes possible. And we're going to be talking to you about how easy and effective it is for you to make money in today's video. And folks, please do remember to always do your own research before investing in any financial and cryptocurrency projects that we do talk about on this channel, because I'm not a financial advisor and these videos are not financial advice. Never invest any more than you can safely afford to lose. Let's get into the video. Alright folks, so we are talking about none other than Uniswap in today's video. It is a decentralized exchange that's been around for a while that is built on Ethereum chain, and I have to say that I've actually been using it myself as well. It's actually powered by automated liquidity pools rather than order books. What's really cool about this is that anyone from the public can actually become a liquidity provider. Often the process basically involves adding 2 tokens to a liquidity pool. They will be giving you varying APR interest rates, and essentially what that means is you're getting passive income for actually supplying liquidity to those pools for other traders to actually use. So for example, like some of the beefier pools that have deeper liquidity might be like a Bitcoin to Ethereum one, and maybe one of like a lower liquidity pool would be like an Ethereum to a particular project maybe that's just come out that has a little bit of lower liquidity. And basically the way you earn as a member of the public by supplying those 2 tokens to that particular pool is that you actually earn from the trading fees, which get paid out toward you. The greater amount that you actually supply to that pool, the more returns you can expect. What's really cool as well is adding liquidity and removing it is also super easy to do as well. It simply basically just involves adding your MetaMask wallet, connecting to MetaMask, and going through the process nice and easy. Want to get your YouTube video to the top of the YouTube search engine? Get ytranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. First, we're going to go over and open an incognito here on Google Chrome to ensure there is no previous search bias. We're going to type in youtube.com, and before we do the search, we need to click on the settings, the 3 dots here. Make sure the language is in English and that the location is set to the United States. Once United States has been selected, we're going to go into the search engine and go for our first search and type in volatile. As we can see right there, right at the top, this video right here by BizCheck is actually a video that YT Ranker was able to get to the top of the search engine. Right there, boom, there it is. Now let's go in and type in another one, Leads Sniper, and have a look, and bang, again, top digital products, this video here, and also again, BizCheck, Botsol versus Lead Sniper, right at the top of the search. So what are you waiting for? Get ytranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. Back to the video. And what's great is that it actually supports multiple networks, not just Ethereum. You can also use Polygon, Arbitrum, for example. This offers a lot more access from those chains. There's also lower fees and faster transactions on these chains as well. And what's super cool is that the actual governance token here, Uniswap, you can actually grab on Uniswap and all major exchanges. And by doing so, you actually get voting rights. That's what the governance is on chain. It's all visible, and it allows you to vote on changes that may occur in the future within the Uniswap ecosystem. A really cool feature. It's pretty cool how the community actually shapes the direction of Uniswap. Another thing which I think is pretty cool is the fact that Uniswap is open source, meaning several other developers can actually come on and integrate and start building on Uniswap, not just a handful of small private developers. On top of that, there's billions of US dollars worth of liquidity locked, which makes it one of, if not the most secure, decentralized exchange in cryptocurrency. And it's really the oldest OG. Kind of think of it as like the Bitcoin of decentralized exchanges on Ethereum. So folks, if you want more than just trading and you want to earn some passive income as well, all the while influencing the future of DeFi, specifically on Uniswap, Uniswap enables you by giving you the tools to do that today. Connect your wallet and explore the possibilities today. And if you are interested, guys, the links will be at the top of the video description and also in the pinned comments.